How to store vitamins and supplements. Vitamins and supplements are a key part of many health regimens and diets. Vitamins and supplements can be expensive, so it's important to make sure that you store them the right way, to prevent your investment from going to waste. In most instances you will have to store vitamins and supplements either in a cool, dry place, or in the refrigerator. Always read the label and store them according to the instructions given. Make sure you keep all vitamins and supplements well out of the reach of children and pets, even if they are in a childproof container. Storing vitamins and supplements in a cool and dry place. Avoid the bathroom cabinet. People often store vitamin and supplement tablets in their bathroom cabinets. Research has shown, however, that the humidity of bathrooms can lessen the effectiveness and potency of vitamin tablets over time. The degradation of vitamins in humid conditions is known as deliquescence. This decreases the quality and shelf life of the product, and could mean you're not getting all the nutrition you paid for. In addition, opening and closing vitamin and supplement bottles in a humid area traps a little bit of moisture into the bottle each time. Some vitamins might be especially prone to degrade in humid conditions, such as the water-soluble vitamin B, vitamin C, thiamine, and vitamin B6(1). Don't keep tablets in the fridge. Vitamins and minerals may degrade in quality if you store them in the fridge. There is a lot of moisture inside your fridge, so although it is cool and dark, it is not dry. Only store vitamins and supplements in the fridge if the label specifically tells you to. Don't keep them near the oven or the sink. The kitchen can be a good place to keep your vitamins and supplements, but there can often be moisture and vaporized fat in the air from cooking, which can settle on your pills. The temperature and humidity in the kitchen rises and falls as you use the oven and stovetop. The kitchen sink is another area that will produce a lot of moisture. Look for a dry cupboard away from the stove and sink if you want to keep them in the kitchen. 3. Consider keeping vitamins and supplements in the bedroom. Your bedroom is perhaps the best place to store supplements, because there are few fluctuations in humidity, and the bedroom is usually cool and dry. Make sure to keep them away from open windows and sunlight, which will degrade their potency. Don't keep them near a radiator or any other source of heat. 5. Always keep them safe and secure, and out of reach of children and pets, even if they are in a childproof container. Use an airtight container. To help avoid moisture, you can keep your vitamins and supplements in an airtight container. Do not take them out of their original packaging, but put the whole package in the airtight container. An opaque container is good, but you can also use an amber or tinted one. These darker containers can also protect the supplements from light. 6.